seen like a screenshot of a cutscene in Destiny and was told that there was a season finale, like a final mission here, and I decided to hop on and record this because I had no idea. I didn't look into it any more than that. I didn't want any spoilers. I seen a cutscene with Crow, and that was it. So without further ado, let's jump in. Let's see what we got going on.
Something stands in our way, Guardian. An anomaly. Casting a shadow in superposition across the veil, resonating with it. Whatever it is, it's drawing away the Traveler's connection. Co-opting the veil's place in their entanglement as if it were a doppelganger. I've isolated the anomaly signal. It's a familiar one, emanating directly from the Black Garden. The sole divisive must be enacting one final effort to halt our advance. This is why I called you. I needed to know this would be dealt with, and quickly. If left unaddressed, we will be unable to follow Crow. He will be stranded. I don't think I could hold Mara back from expressing her anger if that were to occur. Breach the garden and dispel whatever interference the Vex have erected there.
Okay. So if y'all don't remember, the last thing that we had was Crow going into the Traveler itself. We've seen the trailers from the final shape, so we know Crow is alive in the Traveler right now. He did not die when he teleported to the Traveler. I'm really curious to see what's about to happen here, and I'm super hyped. I haven't been this hyped for a game in I don't know how long. I am so ready for the final shape after Prismatic. Oh, it's going to be legendary. Go. Alright. What we gotta do next? You're gonna have a bracket, eh? I can find it. Boy. Alright, y'all. Let's flip and do this. So, when the final shape releases, I'm going to be playing it, and I'm going to be recording all of it. At least the whole campaign. Expect that from me. Hopefully my buddy hops on and plays. I really want to go through it on Legendary without sweating my balls off. I have a feeling this is going to be the hardest campaign we've ever had. I really think it's going to be. I think the first couple missions going to end up being like 1830.
The errant signal is not far ahead.
I think we're jumping up like...
Keep your wits about you.
Jumping up quite a bit in power.
Whatever it is the sole divisive are using to entangle themselves in our work, it is a power not to be trifled with.
Any more? What am I supposed to be doing here? Power levels locked. Also, I just got this blast furnace. It is the god roll, in my opinion. It's kinetic trimmer, one for all, baby. Really good, because I think it's just 3 bursts, and you're going to be proccing kinetic trimmers. And this is a 4-round burst. I'm not mistaken. Are we just killing shit? What are we doing? All we gotta do. Yeah, I'm really excited to see where the meta change is. I'm really excited to hop into Prismatic. I was looking at the like exotic class items that you can get on Titan. I can have Syntheseps and Assassin's Cow. Oh my god, dude. Can you imagine? So I'm going to get Invis with an H melee kill. Plus I'm going to have double the melee damage. Or more than that. I don't know what the exact numbers are. It's a lot of damage. What is it? Like 130? 160% more? Something like that. Running out 3 more enemies. It's going to be so flipping good, dude. I have to go through this one. And it's been a long time. I don't know what you guys have been up to, but I've been playing a lot of Gray Zone Warfare. Been locked into that. I haven't played Destiny in a while. I hopped on the other day actually to just get this blast furnace. I really wanted this roll, and I got it within like 5 minutes. So I didn't stay on that very long. Let me go grab this heavy. Alright. Come here. Yeah, I'm a little rusty. It feels kind of weird playing this. I've been playing on my mouse and keyboard for Gray Zone. And I've always played Destiny with controller, so I'm like right now I'm playing with controller, so it feels really awkward going from mouse and keyboard to controller. How people can do it seamlessly is beyond me. I most certainly cannot. Oh, that might hurt me. Ah! No! Yeah, that was pretty embarrassing. Okay. Alright, let's go up here. Hey, buddy. Put these guys ready. Yeah, it's definitely not the best pulse rifle, but I feel like with the huge buffs coming to pulse rifles, we're gonna be cooking. Oh, this whole time all I had to do was shoot it. Yeesh. Not embarrassing at all. Look at that damage drop off. Holy cow. Dang. That. Ah! Yep, it's kind of fun to use though. I don't ever really use. I don't ever really use pulse rifles. God, I can't remember the last time I used a pulse rifle. Yeah, so I'm gonna proc it like back to back to back. Kind of nice. Yeah, definitely not mid-maxing this build right now. I do love this gun. If y'all haven't gotten this gun yet, you really need to. It is god tier, y'all. God, can you imagine doing 38% more damage? Off the flippin' rip. I think you do 38% more to red bars, right? And then you're going to be doing, like... How much is it just overall? And now with this gun, you got to be careful because it can hurt you. Love it. Here for it. God, it's been so long. Normally, so lately, I've really been trying to get away from Strand Titan. Now with, oh man, I thought I was about to fall in a hole. With Onslaught, I've really been running either what I'm running right here, or I'll run my Strand, not my melee, not like the all-you-can-eat buffet melee Titan build, but more of a suspend. But I keep Banners of War and I run Final Warning. I put it on because it goes hard. Let's just see what I'm talking about. Ow! Ow, 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 ow. Oh, thank you. What am I missing here? Why is there so many? Oh, okay, okay. Where they're coming up in droves. I gotta take out this other thing. Gotta figure out where it's at. I think it's up around here. Let's go focus on that instead of fucking around with these guys. Actually, I don't want these anymore. Also, I don't know if y'all have Barry Bloodline, but I have been freaking adoring that gun. I fucking love it, man. It's so good. Really fuck shit up with it. I have been. Ooh, look at all that. Oh, I love it. Look at that go. I've really been playing with my hunter a lot too. If I'm playing Onslaught, I'm playing as a hunter. I'm not playing as a Titan. If you want to do well in Onslaught, see, this is where lead from gold comes in handy. Yeah, if you want to do really well in Onslaught, you got to be around a hunter. They have so many good builds for Onslaught. It's insane. Now, I played as hunter literally my whole life in Destiny. Literally played as a hunter. D1, all of D2. When Strand Titan came out, I couldn't help myself. I had to jump on that bandwagon. What the fudge am I doing? Up top. Doesn't feel right. Can't make it. We are going down here. I had it right. Y'all, am I missing something? Oh. Woo! Jesus Christ. We're literally going backwards right now from what we would in the exotic mission. Do I even have the bow on me? That's a good gun too. If y'all don't have that, you need to go get it. Ah, we're gonna be going through a portal. Oh shit. What the fudge? Ah! Oof. Okay, what are we fucking with here? I like that. Alright. So it's gonna get serious. Cereal. It's gonna get some cereal. What am I facing? Alright, so I have this guy. Here's what I'm doing. I can... Got a ton of damage. That's why I love this build. This mechanic. I'm really curious to see what the artifact mods are for Final Shape. Am I missing something, y'all? Your fucking... I really want to drop down there just to find out. But... Ah! No! Feels weird going from hunter to this. We know this area as well. Get in there right now. Look how pretty. Game's gorgeous. What in the world does it have me doing solo? Oh my Oh god, no, no, no. Get the fuck out. What the fuck does it have me doing? What in the hell is that thing?
Possible.
What is that?
The Black Heart.
Black Heart.
Destroy this
Oh,
abomination.
yes, 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 yes. Give him all to me. Ah, love it. Ah, satisfying as fuck. I hate when they do that shit. What the fuck? What is going on? I feel like I was about to die there. Do I need to stand beside this? What the hell is going on? Okay, if I leave this area, am I gonna be okay? Yo. Oh my god. Give me all of them at once. I want every single one of them. All of them. Give me all of them. We got some teleporting bitches. Let's fuck this guy up. I don't want to use my super right now on him. I guess I could. I don't know if it really matters. I can proc kinetic tremors here, and it's going to do damage to everything around him, which is another reason why I really like it. And you can see his little health bar getting ticked down because of kinetic tremors. So that's why I really like kinetic. I hate these guys. Ooh, this is kind of high. Oh, what the fuck was that, y'all? Y'all see that? What the hell? Oh my god, what is up in the air? Ah! No! Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh my god. Okay, I was not expecting this shit. I was not expecting this. Oh, okay. Alright, let me... I need to concentrate. Holy shit. Alright. I have... Oh, I have all two of them now. Okay. Well, hello. Come on. Assholes. Okay, why do I have more than... Oh, I don't. Oh my god, I don't have it. Jesus. That's how you go out there and look like an idiot. Now, if I can get multiple of these guys together... Fuck, I almost killed my damn self there. If I can get them all together, I'll be able to go in there and just go ham on them. I really need to start using this more. How's that not loaded? Be dead. He should be dead. That was so good, but I am out of ammo. Those are the most important guys to take out. Let's fuck this guy up. Oh shit. What? Oh. Ammo. All the ammo. This has been kind of Nice. That was not what I was expecting.
The Black Heart was a failed copy of the Veil.
It's harder than I was expecting
but
to be.
potent
And
nonetheless.
expected something easy.
This was a simulation of their prior effort. The Soul Divisive must have been using it to bond their collective with the darkness. They broadcast that connection, harmonized its frequency with the Veil, in order to take its place and shut us out. They could not have managed this feat without guidance from the Witness.
Imagine having 3 of
And
those
now,
stacked.
you have seen to it that they will not disrupt us again.
I need to go. These are gonna be gone, by the way. I have it on. What? I have this in my min. Oh, that was it. Cool. Yeah, but imagine having 3 of these that you can just spam. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. And then throwing like, I'm gonna throw my stasis grenade, and then I'm gonna slide and melee. Oh God, I'm so excited. All right, let's figure out what's next. Up here it is. Here's the cutscene, baby. I need to fix this 30. There he is. Water jump though. This is the first time we've seen the Traveler inside the Traveler in game, right? My guy! I know that gun anywhere. That's, oh.
You died. So did you.
He's such a good guy. I'd have shot him.
Yeah, I don't have to call you Prince anymore, do I?
Cayde is actually alive. Oh my God. Okay, so here's my theory. I don't know if Cayde is like genuinely alive. It looks like he is, or if you look at the ship, I forgive me, I forgot the name. Crow talking to, I think, a doppelganger of his sister. It's not his sister. It might be his actual sister. I don't know fully. There's some lore you can look up behind it, but pretty sure Crow literally says the one thing that he regrets is killing Cayde. If he could switch and change anything of his past, he would change killing Cayde. And I wonder if him going into the Traveler, if he manifested Cayde back to life, or if he granted a wish. Because I'm pretty sure that the person actually talking to him was an RM Kara. I'm not 100%, but I'm almost positive. And that was acting as his sister. And when he said that, possibly a wish, I don't know, maybe. So it's either that or he manifested him because the Travelers, you know, what we manifest. I don't know. I'm really curious. Look at my gun. I don't know. I'm so excited though. That was such an epic cutscene. So hyped. God dang.
You've cleared the table, and the die is cast. This final shape the witness seeks. Asa warned us how the witness consumed its entire species to reshape itself. And still, it was unfulfilled. Its salvation is a prison. We see it in the calcified creatures within the ever-dark halls of each pyramid. Alive, but not living. What shape will the witness render the universe in service to? And what of those within it? To change that which is. Never forces it to match what you envision it could be, because chaos cannot be contained. This will work. I've spent a year of study, counting each day, felt time's weight, but I've spent it well. As sure as I've ever been of anything. We will hold back the collapse, rebuke it once more, and forever. Because chaos cannot be contained.
Hate this
The
character.
time nears, Guardian. Riven's part is done. Queen Mara felt Crow's passage, and he has arrived. I've woven the Veil's resonance into their connection, as the witness did with your ghost. Soon Mara will open the way, and we follow Crow into whatever lies beyond. Prepare yourself. Soon, you will be called to arms.
Yeah, oh my god, I got the ship. Hold up. This is the ship I was talking about to you guys. With the lore. Okay, hang on. Go. Yeah, Ascendant Shard, let's go. Okay. We're gonna need a lot of those things. Okay. So, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I love how they just give you an exotic. Pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, so you can read this lore. It says his sister, but I'm pretty sure it's not. There it is. Where to begin? Fade soon enough. Cayde, he whispers. So he says he would bring back Cayde. And the lore behind this, he was actually talking to an Amakara, so he did get a wish. I'm not sure, though. I need to dig more into it, but from what watched, heard, pretty sure. So maybe he really did wish Cayde back. I wonder what's up with his with the gun, man, because I mean it's broken. It looks sexy. I don't know. I'm super hyped. I can't wait for what comes next in Destiny, man. And I have a feeling we got a lot more to come. Hopefully, Destiny 3. I'm on the hype train, baby. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Sorry it's been so long since I've uploaded, but super hyped. Really enjoyed that mission. Very cool cutscene. Peace.